See a job you like? Hit Calibrate right next to Apply. In seconds, you get real fit score for this exact role, based on seniority, scope, and the skills it actually asks for. Then see what your CV really looks like to ATS and recruiters. Spot the gaps that matter for this role and how to close them. And see the questions you're most likely to get ranked. Now switch to the Calibrd web app to tailor your CV and practice your interview. Tailor your CV line by line as the scores climb, and make your CV ATS-proof with our premium template. Then, practice any question out loud and get instant feedback. Finally, run a full mock round and hear whether you'd advance.
Hi, I'm recruiter for this role. I'd love to understand your background.
Calibrd. Ready, confident, get hired.